just want to show you guys how their bus stations looks like here. I came for a business meeting, and I decided to not use Uber because Uber has been quite expensive for me. So I decided to key into the bus system. This place practically shows you the places you're going. You get to select the places you want to go. You check it. You can see how it looks like. This is not an airport. It's the bus station. I will still go to the train station, so you guys will see how the bus station is, how the train station is. All these are the bus station. You can see how the bus station is. Let me take you guys to how the buses are arranged individually. We are in here. These are the buses. You can see them. These ones, if you need something, you're tasty, you can come and buy them. Nothing is free here though. You can see the buses. It's an example of the bus waiting for people to board them. So this is how it is here. These are the buses. You can see the buses. And this is zone C. So I'll be going down to other zones. So you guys will see how it is. Mind you, we are the Oceanus, and we are doing this video to let you guys know that the different transport systems that are here and how expensive using Uber could be. Well, these are quite cheaper. Like before, I used to take about $105, $106 to Toronto from where I stay. But with this, it's about $7. It's a bus. There are the buses. This is zone A. I should go with my bus now, but I decided to wait a little bit and do this video for you guys. This is how the bus stations looks like here. These are all the buses. You can see people trying to board the buses. Everything works out well here, right? This is it. You can see this young man giving a dog pizza. So this is typically people are going inside the bus. You can see how people are going inside the bus. People are lined up. You can see it's quite beautiful here. And mind you, to get cheaper rates, you should get your Presto car. This will make you pay cheaper. You just load money there and you'll be charged very, very cheap. They said we are the Apposianus. We are the Apposianus, and trying to show you guys how the transport system works here. You can see the people going inside. You come here, you check where you're going, and this is the bus stations. Very cheap. So when you come to Canada, try to make use of the bus stations. You see, people are going in. So because I have the Presto card, I don't have to use my debit card or my credit card. I just go in and I swipe. You see. You see how everything works so perfectly well. So this is how the bus station works. And you just have to swipe. Buses. This is a double-decker bus. So, it's a double-decker bus. And let me put on my marks. So guys, you see how it looks like here. When you come to Canada, you try your best to patronize the buses because they are quite cheaper. I was taking Uber from my location where I was to Toronto. It's about $108, but when I started taking these, I was spending $7 to get to Toronto. You can see when I swapped, it was $3.70, $3.70, and when I come down, I'm going to swap again. I'm going to about $3.70, about plus or minus about $70. And so guys, you see how the bus station looks like here. You see how beautiful it is. So do well to patronize and to turn, trying to turn. Yes, stay going. And you can see how everything works perfectly well. Hello guys, everywhere is massively beautiful. Just came out and we're about hitting the road. See how comfortable everything works out here. See how everything comfortable.
Next stop, Prochain arrêt. Main Street West at Paisley Avenue South.
So, this is how comfortable the buses are here. So guys, when you come to Canada, instead of taking Uber, it's quite advisable you take the buses, the Go buses, because it's quite cheaper. You save a lot of money. Like guys, this is where we came. I spent so much money. You don't want to hear how much money I've spent on taking Uber or in taking Uber. You know, but if you come and you use, when you buy ticket, you will probably spend about $14 to $15 from a 15 minutes journey. Like, let's say from Darlington to Toronto, you'll be spending about $14. When you spend about $14 when you take the Go bus, about $14 when you take the Go bus. But when you get the card like this, but when you get the card like this, they call it the Presto card, you'll be spending about $7 with that same distance. And it's cheaper. You can also take the city bus, the intercity bus with this same card. So it's quite cheaper. You know, this would actually save you thousands of dollars, because I've spent up to like $6,000-$7,000 since I came on Uber, you know, on city taxis. But when you take the buses, you spend relatively low. So we are encouraging everybody coming to Canada to take advantage of the buses and save a lot of money. Let me show you guys how the city looks like. Very beautiful city. Very beautiful city. Very beautiful city. Very beautiful city. Mind you guys, for our followers, you could remember I talked about how I didn't get my driver's license in the first try. The good news is that I finally got my license yesterday. Yes, I got my license yesterday, so I can drive around now. So you guys should expect more videos on so many stuffs. And also, I'm actually coming from a business meeting where I went to meet the immigration experts and lawyers that we used in coming here. And I can tell you guys for sure, there's many that wants to come to Canada. We have a robust set up a robust plans for you guys to give you guys good and perfect information that you need. You can see how beautiful here is. So because we could drive now, once in a while we will come to places, show you guys how it is, so you guys get to appreciate how Canada is. So this video is all about telling you guys the different transport system and how comfortable it is taking the buses. It's so nice, and mind you, there are Wi-Fi inside the buses. You can browse without using your data. You can drive without using your data. So the buses are quite good. See how spacious it is. You can see how spacious. So nice. So guys, when you come to Canada, kindly take advantage of the buses to save you a lot of money, and it's also nice as well. Yeah, before I go, just take a feel about how the city is. A lot of people are enjoying themselves. A lot of people are enjoying themselves. Yes guys, take care of yourself and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.